How to fix the network error in CapCut. So you may be seeing a network error when you're trying to search for an effect, or if you're trying to use a transition, it may show up here as well. Now to go and fix this, there's a couple of things we can do. So first, just go and close out of your CapCut project, and that should take you over to this home screen here. Now go and click on settings in the top right hand side, and then select settings. Now where it says cache size, click on this trash icon, and then go and press OK. Now don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal projects. Now once you've done this, you can go and press save, and then you'll need to close out of CapCut. Now open up the start menu. You can search for CapCut and open up the app. You can then go and open your project, and you can check to see if the network error has now been fixed. Now if it's still not working, go and close out of CapCut one more time and close out of the home screen as well. We're then going to open up the start menu on your computer and then click on settings. In the left hand side, click on network and internet, then scroll down to advanced network settings and click this. Scroll down to network reset and click on reset now. You'll then need to press yes, and once your settings have been reset, you'll also need to restart your computer. Once you've done that, once again you can check to see if that's solved the CapCut issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the start menu, click on settings, in the left hand side click on apps, and click on installed apps. Using the search box, type in CapCut, and then we're just going to click on these three horizontal dots and click on uninstall. Now don't worry, this won't remove any of your personal data, so just go and press uninstall, and make sure keep user data is checked like this, and then go and press OK. Once it's finished uninstalling, click on complete, open up an internet browser, type in CapCut download and press enter, and then click on this top website here. Click on download in the top right hand side, and that should now begin downloading to your computer. You can then open this downloaded file, and you can run through the steps to reinstall this to your computer. So that's how to fix the network error in CapCut. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.